play in my shop. See, all I did was just notch these out so they'll fit in there snug like that, and then I can tack them from this side, and then when I put the side panels in you won't see the nails holding these on, and that'll square up the top. Boom. Beauty. We got the decorative frames put on, and I went ahead and put the top frame on off camera and marked all the holes for the hinges and their locations. Put a quick little coat of primer on the front. I still have to do the back, and then once that chooches, we can go ahead and do the top coat. That's a wrap on paint. All right, next will be to install the lid. I already have all the hardware and holes drilled and everything in place. And then we're gonna be trying our hand at some upholstery. Just a 2-inch cushion to sit on top. And don't have too much experience with that, but I think it's pretty simple enough to tackle. But first things first, moving this bad boy upstairs. Either it's gonna be pretty entertaining to watch, and either it could be a complete success or it will never see the light of day. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and tackle that next. Let's get started. have to be sure to edit out the cursing and heavy breathing. This is where we get it, boys. This is where we get it. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Holy old... Oh, man. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. You know what sucks about building stuff alone? Is that you don't have anybody to high five when you're done. Oh, that is a thing of beauty. Yeah, we did. Not too bad.